Okay, we're here at Saratoga Springs Resort and Spa. This is our room, 5632. And we are going to give you a full tour. Whew. Get his mask off. Okay, so I'm checking into Saratoga Springs Resort and Spa. This room is a studio villa. These rooms have just been renovated, so when we walk in, we see kind of a stable leather strap for the coat hangers. Very cool. There's a nice mirror right here when you walk in. Hi. The floors are hardwood floors. However, they're in a, what is this? Herringbone pattern. When we first get in, we have this beautiful, very luxurious. This is very different than what the rooms looked like before. So this is very surprising to me. And it's my first glance, I'm seeing luxury. I would almost think I'm staying in the Grand Floridian. Beautiful stone counter. Little kind of wet bar sink. Excellent. They give us a lot of coffee. You get 2 regular and 1 decaf, which I'm going to try to switch out. I don't know if they'll do that. You got some tea. You get some decaf tea. They give us a couple creamers. I have some with me in my fridge. And a whole bunch of sugar. To go with that, we get our coffee pot. Beautiful toaster. Nice GE stainless steel microwave. And they give you some other kind of beer opener, bottle opener, wine, can opener. You get a nice... This is like a leather, ice bucket. Get some paper towels. Get a whole bunch of really cool utensils and extra paper towels. Anything up there? No. Storage. So very luxurious. Right off the bat, you got down here. Usually there's a garbage, but I think they moved them. Refrigerator. This is a nice refrigerator. Beautiful glass shelving. They don't have the freezer anymore, but... So coming here, we have a, once again, luxurious, beautiful gold leaf type knobs. Same kind of hard stone. I don't know if this is like a sile stone or what, but it's beautiful. Little hook for hand towel. Beautiful lighting. That lighting. Nice mirror. More lighting. Beautiful gold leaf extending. Nice sink. Beautiful sink. And then you got some extra stuff down there for tissue. This is absolutely beautiful. I am stunned with the way this room came out. Whoever designed this room, genius. Okay. This is a first. Very luxurious. Very luxurious. You have this glass slider. Look at that. Nice, beautiful metal slider, like a barn door, like a modern barn door. Very impressive. And then this style here, almost like Morocco. but also very beautiful, like a sandstone. Also get your H2A products. This room has actually been like deep cleaned, so they put covers on everything. And then you have your sea salt, your sea marine, and your sea marine conditioner, shampoo, and the sea salt body wash. I love. Very nice. And then you get 2 shower heads. Bunch of towels. Let's see what's in this closet here. All right, standard pillow blanket, hangers, ironing board, and vacuum. Maybe I'll do some vacuuming. And you get a safe. Wow. Very impressed. Continuing on into, oh, this is amazing. I mean, this is the most luxurious room I feel like I've stayed in. Actually, I haven't stayed in it yet, but unbelievable. Just look at this view. I mean, this is where I'm staying. It used to be like a green style, brown style. This is cleaned up. So you have the bed. You have, I mean, look at these little nightstands. They have marble right there. Got nice USB in the lamp, plugs in the lamp. Turn that on. Phone. This headboard is just spewing luxury. These pin needles, nails, what are they? Nail heads. I'm sure there's a stylish name for it. And then you have really cool art. Very simple, very clean. Horse. You have a Mickey helmet and then a ribbon for like first. Disney used to put the trash under the sink with the recycling. They've changed it now. They have a recycling and then they have trash separate. There is no bag in there, so I don't know if I should call them to tell them. I probably will. Here, you have this bench, has like a saddle style. It's got some drawers. Very cool. I mean, even the quality of the furniture is very good. Amazing mirror. We would love this for our house, but really amazing mirror. Gold inlay. And then over here on the TV, you have USBs on the side, plugs on the side, plenty of charging space. You have these beautiful things here. Drawers, they call them. And then they put this in a plastic bag. Nice flat screen TV. Just luxurious. Yeah, the enhanced cleaning here. It says doors, handles, pull knobs, light switches and controls, closet amenities, beverage area, bathroom fixtures and surfaces, bathroom amenities, thermostat, electrical console, controls, bedding, devices, hard surfaces and flooring, cleaned and wrapped amenities. Also, we have marble on the dresser. Very impressed. I love the curtains. I've never seen curtains like this before, but it's almost like still with that horse theme. You have these straps on the curtains. And then this is new for the Saratoga Springs. Did not have this pull down bed. These pull down beds are new in the Riviera Resort. They're also new here. So the bed pulls down and then the couch goes with it. So I think this needs to be moved out of the way. It has wheels on it. And then I'm going to pull this down. Wow. Is that amazing? That's amazing. The artwork is stunning as well. You have a hidden Mickey on the right. You have 2 horses just loving each other. Some horseshoes, and it goes perfectly with this style. It's got like this light pale green accent wall with cream, and then there's light green in the picture. Wow. And then you just pull this guy up. And look at the couch. Folding back into the couch. I mean, much better than messing with these chairs. I wonder if they invented it. And then again, you have more plugs and charging. Put that light on. So luxurious. Let's check out our view. Okay, it's going to take me a little while to get this door open. Every time, unlock, turn lever to unlock. That's locked. I bet it was unlocked already. No? Maybe this has to go this way. There we go. Got it. And we have a pool view and a lake view. We have 2 chairs out here. Wow. Wow. And a table for coffee in the morning. And you have the pool right there, the Paddock Springs pool with quick service. I don't know. Yeah, quick service looks open. And then there is a lake right there. Right there. Stunning. Beautiful Saratoga Springs. Blue, green over there. Nice little patio. And then look, this is us in here. Wow. It is amazing. I'm very, very impressed with this room, Disney. Great job. Oh, and then this opens. So if you want to store some stuff in here. Oh, what? Look at that. This opens to become a table where you can eat your dinner. Wow. They really thought of everything. You can sit and eat your dinner right there. What? And close this door. This is just too much. Okay. Let's put this back. So, let me see, I'm having some trouble. Some wheels. Okay. I would say this is one of the most luxurious rooms that I've stayed in. I mean, I'm very, very taken back. Swivels. Wow. Big TV. Crown molding, you have this chair rail, which fits nicely into the style of Saratoga Springs. And then they also have the raised up beds down here. So you can put your luggage under there comfortably. Let's see. Let me get mine. Let's try it. So when I unpack, I just slide this guy down. Plenty of room. So that's the tour. I can't wait to stay here for a couple of days. I'm very excited. Never stayed in these rooms before when they were renovated. This is a completely new experience, even though I've stayed here. This is actually one of my home resorts. You know, it's lovely. It is lovely. That's going to do it. If you enjoyed this room tour, hit that thumbs up button. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. We'd love to have you coming back each week to check it out. Other than that, we hope you enjoy your day. I know I'm heading to the park, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, dudes.